So hello my little learners, welcome to the toddlers learning. Here another video of short vowels. Okay, let's start the video. So let's start the sounds of E short vowel words. First is a, n, which is an, which is n, which is n. Another is a, t, at, 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 an, at. So let's start some examples of these sounds. So yes, here are some examples of an, z and zen, j and den, h and hen, y and yen, m and men, p and pen, t and ten, w and when. Let's read these words again. Zen, den, hen, yen, men, pen, ten, and when. Come to the another sound of E, which is et. What is this? Et. W et wet. W et wet. G et get. G et get. M et met. M et met. N et net. P et pet. S et set. L et let. W et wet. Wet. Now again read these words. Wet, get, met, net, pet, set, let, and wet. Hope you will understand these letters and the sound of the letters. It will help you in reading. Some another short vowels of E sounds are ed, ad, ed, ed, egg, egg. So let's read the examples of ed or egg. So here are some example of the sound of ed or egg. So let's start. First is b ed, bed, f ed fed, l ed led, w ed wed, ed red. Here are the another examples of egg. Egg, b egg, bake, k egg, cake, p egg, peg, u egg, leg. So now come to the another sounds of E word are E, which is in Hindi it's E, like it will help you in rememberize. E. And the another is E. It's a long E. Okay, it's a long E and it's a E. So here are some examples of both sounds which will be help to comparison between the both E and in reading also. Let's start. So yes, here are some examples of E A E, E A E, and double E is also known as E, the sound of E. Okay, the both are the sound of E, but here are some difference which we can only recognize by pronunciation. The first is C, C, T, T E T, P E P, again S E C, T E T, P E P. Now come to the double E sound, which is E, Okay, now read this. B E B, B E B, F E F, F E F, N E N. Here our K is silent. Only N will become the sound of his. K N, N, N E N, W E W, Tr E Tree, S E C. So here is a difference in both E sounds. Here is a short E like C, T, P, and here is a long E like B, F, W, 3. So hope It will help you in reading and pronunciation also.